Hi, and welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown. And today, guys, I'm going to be talking about the Panasonic Toughbook CF-31 MK5 and the difference if you get the MK6. What are the differences between this version and this version? So the MK5 is about 4 or 5 years old, and they came out with the MK6 after some backlash of discontinuing the CF-31 line. They decided to keep making it in the 6th generation version. So right off the bat, what are some of the basic differences? Well, the MK5 version, which is this one, comes with a 5th gen i5 processor, whereas the MK6 comes with a 6th gen i5 processor. So what does that mean? Well, that means that the MK5 battery life is not as good as the battery life on the MK6, although they use the same batteries, and that's because the processor is more efficient and less power hungry. So another interesting cosmetic difference between these two models is, and there's only really two cosmetic differences, is the antenna covers right here are flat on the MK5, whereas on the MK6, they're curved. So you can see how these curve up and raise just above there where these are flat. Another difference is the back cover is also slightly different because of these, and I don't know if you can see this, but basically where the antenna covers are, you see there's a difference in the plastic. So this is also a little wider than this. So on the MK6, those plastics will not transfer over. However, the screen, the LCD, and the touch panel are the same. So you can swap them back and forth accordingly. Another thing is the BIOS version of these laptops. So the MK5 has a BIOS version is version 5. It'll depend on the model that you get. So it might be like V5.50L11, or I'm sorry, L15, and then this might be version 6.00L113. So it depends on, it may be, those last 4 digits may change, which is just minute differences, but the MK5 has version 5, the MK6 has version 6. That's really what you need to know. In addition, the MK5 comes standard out of the box with TPM 1.2. The MK6 comes default out of the box with TPM 2.0. That means it has a higher security on it, a higher security chip. Some other major difference, this is a major difference, and that's the memory. The RAM memory that the MK5 can support is 16 gigs, and that's DDR3 memory. The MK6, they upgraded to DDR4 memory, and Panasonic tells you it only supports 32 gigs, but I'm here to tell you, I've put it in, 64 gig works quite nicely, so you can upgrade your MK6 CF-31 to 64 gigs. Another interesting difference is, out of the box, default, the MK5 CF-31 comes standard with the PCMCIA slot, whereas the MK6 comes standard default from the factory without the PCMCIA slots. So you had to special order that if you wanted it in the MK6. Another interesting difference is the MK5, well, in fact, the MK1 through 5 CF-31 uses the full-size SIM card, whereas the MK6, they went it to the micro SIM card. So it's a smaller SIM card if you want broadband on these units. That's pretty much all of the differences that I could come up with quickly. If you know of any other differences, please, let's leave it in the comments. I'd like to hear from you. Other than that, guys, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next week.